Ningu dele tade kumbajan ro de ko dire namji abudo ta jiga sharing gudu spring. Just have to watch out for snake, rattlesnake. There's plenty of them here. With the quiet days, on the weekdays, everybody's at work, kids are at school. It's a nice day. Sun is trying to come out. Just watch out for poison ivy, venomous snakes, insects, and wild animals. It's just a warning. Be careful in the walk, on the hike. There's a bench here to sit, relax a little bit. It's like that.